So today we're going to solve some problems about flange coupling design. So first we have bolt shear in flange couplings. So we have given D is equals to 35 mm, N is equals to 6, D1 is equals to 125 mm, T is equals to 800 Newton meter. Ito siya converted to Newton per millimeter. Ito siya 800,000 Newton per millimeter. And shear stress na 56 megapascal. So we have required this D1. So itong solution na T is equals to N times pi over 4 times D1 na naka-squared times shear stress O times D1 over 2. So ito yung input na yung values. We have 800,000 is equals to 6 times pi over 4 times D1 na squared times 56 times 125 over 2. So natay D1 squared na 48.5. Since naka-squared mo siya, ito yung square root or na-squared siya. Natay D1 is equals to square root of 48.5. Natay D1 na 6.96 mm or 7 mm. So next problem, we have flange junction shear given D is equals to 600 mm. P na to is 3 megawatts. When we convert it to 3 million watts. Natay N na 100 RPM, thickness na 100 mm, and safe limit na 60 megapascal. So required na ito is ang mga shear force. So natay solution na T is equals to P times 60 over 2 pi N. Ito siya input yung values na natay 3 million times 60 over 2 pi times 100. Natay T is equals to 286,478,900 Newton per millimeter. So natay T na pi times D times thickness times shearing force times D over 2. So input mo natin yung values natay 286,478,900 is equals to pi times 600 times 100 times shearing force times 600 over 2. Natay shearing force na 5.066 megapascal or 5.07 megapascal. And lastly, we have T design. We have Woodruff T to capacity. So we given D is equals to 35 mm, shearing force na 46 megapascal, width na 10 mm, and length na 30 mm. So required natin is T. So solution to F is equals to W times L times T. Fs is equals to 10 times 30 times 46. Natay F is nga pan 13,800 Newton. So T is equals to Fs times D over 2. Natay T is equals to 13,800 times 35 over 2. Natay T nga 241,500 Newton per millimeter or 241.5 Newton meter. And that is all.